Definitely.
Hashtag B-Roc is over party.
And this series of Jollibee
Jollibee.
episodes,
This is it.
the winner,
Yes.
the best.
Like high
Like,
key, like
you
low
win the
key, I
golden
want
drumstick
more
award.
of this commercial.
I kind of want more of. Alright, let's go. Next one. Another true story.
I hate it when they do like true stories. Like this shit doesn't seem real.
Bianca de la Cruz.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that name sounds familiar.
I
I'm
like
proud
that
to be a
first hero
strong
shot.
woman.
Fuck out here with
Ganito ako
that shit.
pinalaki ng dad ko.
That would totally be me too.
Matapang, malakas ang loob. Lahat ng hirap kayang harapin.
Right at the gate.
It's great though. It was like
Pero,
I feel like it's a little more subtle.
Di ko akalaing masusubukan ng tapang ko ng ganito. Not like this. And that's when you showed me what being strong really means.
Not allowed. Nice
She's
car.
sick.
Lunch buggy.
I'm gonna. I mean, I like that they're actually. No.
Love that shot.
Nakatawag lang nila from the house.
Uh-oh.
Positive daw si dad.
Oh.
Hell no.
Nung akala kong di ko kakayanin, your love gave me hope. Di ako makatulog kakaisip kay dad.
I'm here for you, babe. No matter how long it takes.
I thought that was B-Roc talking.
Kahit nahirapan ka,
For what?
hindi mo ako iniwan.
Get a
Second
tripod.
When days began with sadness,
I'd be happy to.
your love filled me with joy.
Chicken joy.
Food's great.
Chicken joy.
Joy.
Oh, they can't eat. That's right.
They can't go in.
visit him, yeah.
And when the
Damn,
pain
that's-
was just too
This is
much,
good.
your love was there to heal me.
Lights are awesome.
Yeah. It's a great shot.
Kaya kahit wala man sa tabi ko si dad,
It's the KFC Colonel without the
nakayanan ko ang lahat ng
Pencil.
ito. Thanks to you.
Those look like funeral clothes.
Wait.
Nah, swerve, swerve.
Better be.
Dear God,
Oh,
please
okay.
be a swerve.
Okay. Oh, please be swerve. Oh, thank
Oh
God.
my god!
Why do you set that out?
That's
The little
really
COVID
good.
Thing.
Man, fuck these commercials. Fucking
You made me realize that
Chuggy.
There's
even
more
when
than
I
5,
thought
they're
I
gonna
was
get
strong,
caught. How
My
like
weakest
inside. That is brilliant.
your love made me stronger.
Wow.
Oh, this is well done.
I like this.
That's a great hero shot,
I like
too.
this.
dude, the music is good too.
Yeah.
He takes off his mask as a jank ass
This is Angel
crooked teeth
Dog.
smile. Bruh, right? Who's the
A little cheesy, but I like it.
tagline person?
A
Is
little
it
cheesy, but I
race?
like that.
Alright, I'm fucking giving that a round of a fucking applause, man.
Dude.
This is my top
I'm gonna
one
stop my
of the
video real
3.
quick.
Yeah.
B-Roc gotta cry.
B-Roc's gotta cry.
B-Roc.
Cry.
Okay, the tagline didn't hit as much,
It
I'm not
did.
crying, you're crying.
the story was really fucking good.
B-Roc, your eyes are sweating.
Your eyes are sweating.
Somebody's lighting
I don't
on
see-
it.
Yeah, but for real, like I think when it got to that point of the flowers, I think all of us were just like,
I know. I was like, oh
Oh,
my
yeah.
god,
just were
real close.
maybe
'Cause
alive.
Holding your breath.
he's got like the
Bro.
black mask on too. I'm
I
like,
know.
That was
Yo,
great.
It reeled us in so deep.
I was like,
This is
please swerve.
this was only like
Bro.
4 minutes, and this was a really good, effective short film
Yes.
overall.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Like the branding wasn't like obviously was there
I
even
mean,
in the
like
beginning.
straight out the gate, Jollibee.
Yeah, but I liked it
I
because
feel like-
they put it in I feel like a much more relatable context. Like, yeah, like after moving, hell yeah, I'd like to
Yeah.
get some fucking Jollibee or
I'd like to get some
or-
fast food
or
because I
some
don't
fast
have
food.
time
versus
or
like
money at this point because
you
I
know,
went to a different house.
yeah, like with that kind of grounded in realness compared to the other ones.
Yes.
Like meeting your first love at Jollibee or ordering it right off the bat, but they grounded the brand with something relatable. That way, when the order thing came in, it felt like, oh yeah,
And they made it
Of
look
course.
like comfort food.
yeah. So
Yes,
it's like
It's comfort food.
Equated comfort with Jollibee. this time.
the creative 20 out of 10.
Awesome.
So good, great story, great. I think great
I don't think Alex
casting
likes
too.
I would say like cast wise, this girl is like trending nowadays because she starred in a YouTube GL that's girl love stuff that's in here now. So with BL, I don't know if you guys are familiar.
Mm-mm.
It started in Thailand, like boy love, like
Yeah.
gay stuff. Now they have girl to girl stuff, like sweet stuff. And this girl nailed it. I forgot the title. I watched like a couple of the series.
I'll find her name.
Dang it! It was great.
She
And
looks familiar.
the first shot right
She's
off the bat
the
was a
daughter
great
of
hero
Angel
shot.
Aquino.
There you go.
Oh,
it's
shit.
the eyebrows. Those eyebrows.
Yeah.
When I first saw her, I said, she's
woman,
cute.
woman.
Then I realized, oh,
Oops,
because
sorry.
her mom is my biggest crush.
Oh, yeah. This is a great starting hero shot. Hero,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then
And it says hero.
yeah,
And she has like, she's really good with camera. Like the girl, I forgot the name.
and then there's another really good hero. This is another great hero shot right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I felt really invested in the character in the first 2 minutes.
No,
Yeah.
I'd
for
like
real.
Oh,
to
yeah.
show this shot. Look at it.
That looks
Because-
uncomfortable.
It's because the green
I
screen
know.
lightning, but
But he's
uh,
all gray.
He's all
Girl
gay.
next door. Max, it's girl next door.
so
There
the
you go.
green
Yeah.
screen that.
yeah, okay, good call.
I know, that's the only-
Yeah,
that's-
the lighting
yeah.
didn't match.
I know.
I mean, they could have easily put a mask around it and then just
I made it white, yeah.
and then just graded it, but I kind of, but it also like this actually gives a nice little contrast too, of just the color.
That's true. Because if it was white or like some
I think it looks so natural. I mean,
some color,
like how
like,
it looks
crazy,
like
Because
really.
it
in
gives
real
that
life.
the popular like what a lot of vloggers are using this, the orange and teal color palette, and right here we have
Mhm.
teal and orange right here for
Yeah.
the contrast.
Yeah. It's a cute
Okay.
little contrast. But yeah, it just there's a disconnect with the screen and the color coming out of the screen.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, you guys watching, I would buy it. The branding and overall, if they were gonna run an ad for a wide audience, this would be it.
This would be it.
Because
Yes.
everyone at the end of the day is someone's kid. They have a parent, and they have somehow been affected by COVID one way or another in a much
And
more
somehow
relatable way.
scared
And so
something
yeah.
might happen to like a relative or something.
Which we were like, holy shit.
Yeah, like
I was like,
hero clothes.
Yeah.
how did
Because they were leading
No,
there, like
no.
crying, driving away from the hospital.
I know.
yeah,
Staying
The,
outside
and the
was-
flowers. I mean, and the white shirt
The white
that she's
shirt,
tucking in.
like the white shirt, and he was. They made a big deal about him like putting like a white shirt on,
I know.
or like a white-ish shirt. It was like more of a mint green, but and then like the black mask, and I'm just like,
But for a while,
oh, that's
one
a
thought
funeral
passed my
look.
head. I was thinking, did the guy die when he was wearing the white stuff?
Oh,
Oh,
like,
I
was he
think
in
it went through
heaven?
all of us. All of us. Oh.
yeah. I mean, because it's
I mean,
mean-
the guy, the boyfriend.
The
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
I was thinking,
yeah,
car
even
crash, car crash.
shit, man. I like
Just
even
pile
though
on
like
more.
it was a whole
I think that was the
'cause-
better ad of this streak.
yeah, definitely, because
Yeah,
it's not
definitely.
it's not trying to focus on the love aspect. Obviously,
Yes.
like
Oh, there
the,
is a
They
lot.
were
there-
kind of-
the
Subtly there.
love the
It's
love
not a-
was there, like in terms of the romantic relationship, but it wasn't
The main
the
focal point.
highlight.
He,
was
he
like a
literally was
real
there as a supporting
Picture,
character.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's like a real picture of love, not just revolving around two people. Like, there's a lot of people not just the
The-
two of you in the world. I mean, the others
Yeah.
were like showing it's just you and me, you and me and stuff.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
the love in that
more real.
commercial feels more realistic and
Yeah.
doesn't seem like fabricated like the other two.
Yeah.
Yes.
So man, this is great. Fucking
Feels
great.
more of a true story than the others.
yeah,
I know.
bravo.
Hell yeah.
Jubilee should sponsor us because of how many ads
Yes,
we are
we
watching
did
of
three.
them.
Yes, please.
Wait, why? What
Three
is?
and Zoom, like more previously.
Wait,
Like
what is
other
it?
Marketing
episodes.
team.
What does Jubilee do?
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oh, Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Jubilee shouts fireworks from her fingers.
Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, I mean
favorite
Jollibee.
accent, by the way.
If you're
Oh,
watching this, let's talk.
We could be a marketing
Maybe
team
if it's
in
not
America.
monetary, I'll be okay
I have
with
given.
a lifetime supply of chicken
I have given
and
you
rice
a
Steak,
yacht's
burger
worth
steak.
and their
of money
steak
for your
and
chicken.
gravy.
Bro,
I
that
mean,
gravy with the mushroom.
Bernie and
Oh.
Alex, they're gonna be a bit of a harder bargain.
Yeah,
But-
do you have
Just give them
international
give them a
delivery?
shit company. But it's fine.
I have given Jollibee a yacht's worth of my money for chicken.
Oh my god, when you order, it's no joke.
I
'cause
don't
it's-
just order one
Is
thing. I ordered
it-
the whole menu.
Is it okay for? Is it weird
Well,
for
because
me?
you had to
I don't-
drive, right, Max?
Yeah,
have
it's
to
a journey going from where she is. Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
journey.
Okay.
It's not just like, oh, let's just stop by.
Am I weird? I don't like their chicken. I only like their burger steak and palabok. I'm not a fan of their chicken.
I don't
When I
like
was
the
still
palabok.
eating meat, I would agree with you,
Because I
B-Roc.
like real
That's
palabok.
the only thing I
Not
like.
Jollibee palabok.
The
The
burger
palabok?
steak.
Oh, the burger steak. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I've had KFC, Popeyes, and Jollibee.
KFC gravy in the Philippines, though, right, Bernie?
Yes, I would say I'll go
Bro.
for KFC.
The,
Oh,
KFC,
I,
don't-
no, the KFC,
I don't remember.
the
man.
gravy in the Philippines, not
Yes.
here. The gravy here sucks. The gravy
Must
in the
be the
Philippines
dog.
is like, yes.
Oh, you're stupid.
Kidding,
Oh,
totally
God.
kidding. Totally
Yeah.
kidding. audience.
B-Rock's canceled.
Definitely.
Hashtag
the-
B-Rock is over party.
in this series of Jollibee
Jollibee.
episodes,
This is it.
the winner,
Yes.
the best.
Like high
like-
key, like
You
low
win the
key, I
Golden
want
Drumstick
more
Award.
of this commercial.
I kind of want more of with this cast. It's kind of good. I'm
wanted, like, a part
really
2 to
invested
this.
in them.
I
Yeah,
don't know
Should
how
be a
they're gonna
TV
do a part 2.
series with
they could
5
have taken.
seasons.
It was 5
This could be
seasons.
like the next.
And the movie.
I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Surf series, like the Surf Lumen series.
Oh my God, yes, with the
Yes.
with the
This could be like
the
another
laundry
that one.
detergent.
Yes.
I mean, go ahead.
where the kids grew out, and people were still following the story.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
Of like a mom
There's
doing
a.
laundry and shit.
I
But it
mean,
was pretty cool that.
there KFC did have a romance movie come out. So
They
I
had
mean,
they had a video game come out.
so I mean,
Gaming console as well.
Oh yeah, that's
So-
right.
they're really leveraging
box.
like a whole bunch of weird shit for their branding. I think it's clever. So
They're just trying to hit on. I think they're really just trying to like hit on the whole internet culture thing that like people are gonna make fun of it anyway. But
I think it's
they're
genius.
they're gonna pay for it so they can make fun of it.
Yeah. I mean, Supreme collaborated with Colgate, and there's Supreme Colgate.
Yeah, they're Supreme.
So-
Supreme
chopsticks, bro.
collaborated with everybody. They have tube
Because
socks,
they have similar
underwear,
logos.
fucking
Pretty- yeah.
toothpaste.
There's
So, I mean-
chopsticks.
I mean,
Oh, paying $50
Hammers.
for a tube of toothpaste and not
Oh, there's a Supreme crowbar.
oh my god, that's the
I
power
want
of
the Supreme
branding, man.
crowbar. I want the I want the crowbar and
scarcity with
actually
the-
use it.
All right, so I'm gonna close out this particular episode.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of the Jollibee
The Jollibee.
Valentine series. Hope if you guys liked it, make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this with friends who you think might enjoy it. Jollibee, if you're watching this, let's talk.
Money,
We know you guys probably have an internal social media team,
Chicken,
but you know
please.
we could work something out. Just review all your ads and give it some more publicity.
Just give the chicken.
Oh, give everyone a follow on their socials. Links are down in the description.
Buy me
check,
Jollibee.
check out the podcast as well, and also the other content in this channel, which is actually giving you guys social media advice aside from us just goofing off. So with that, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Have an amazing day, night, evening, wherever you guys are. Peace out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.